When people think of Asian countries, the image of jade almost always comes to mind. It's so strongly associated with Asia. Taiwan's culture and history is no exception. We had a unique opportunity to visit a jade wholesale workshop on Taiwan's remote east coast. Hope you enjoy this tour with us. Taiwan is known for its unique types of jade. The most popular gemstones found in eastern Taiwan are cat's eye. There's also blue and pink jades, and even something called peacock jade. Taiwan's blue jade is unique. Unlike blue jade from other countries, Taiwan stones don't need heat treatment to improve their color. The pink jade comes in unique formations. The jewelers like to cut into thin slices of stone and polish. They resemble ancient Chinese calligraphy paintings with their little black inclusions resembling brush strokes through the pink and white striations of the stone. You'll see some examples in this video. When I first saw peacock jade in Taiwan, I thought it was definitely some type of a cheap plastic resin. It has so many intense colored veins against a charcoal black matrix. I later found out that this stone is unique to Taiwan and indeed is a real gemstone. We were fortunate to meet a gentleman named Mr. Su on our trip. We eventually discovered he had a family history in the jade industry. After chatting a while, we convinced him to open up his jade finishing workshop for us. It was a great opportunity to hear from a jade master about how to determine if a jade article is genuine or fake, and we got special privilege of seeing an amazing variety of worked jade pieces and jade jewelry within his workshop. So enjoy his presentation. Hopefully you'll pick up some simple techniques that you can use. There are many other videos on YouTube that rely on those UV lights to determine if jade is genuine or not. Unfortunately, that's not a fail-safe technique. This jade master is going to show you techniques that have been used for many decades for inspecting jade. I'll put his contact info in the details section of this video. Hopefully you'll have an opportunity to look him up when you're in Hualien. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and thanks for watching. Wow.
Is he saying road or
Okay.
Rose.
Yeah, rose. R-O-S-E. After use this concept when it's like a painting. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a painting.
Very
It's
beautiful.
nature. And the best is very cheaper because this one just 500. Yeah, only. Look like a painting. This one 800 only. Yeah. And this is oh my.
We can ask him.
200 only. See, it's a good color. Natural pattern, just 200 NT. And this kinds, just 100 NT. For gift, it's not so bad. See? Yeah. And now, we show you how to check it different, okay? Here, please. Here, please. How to use this giant leader. Here, please. How to cut it.
Oh, she said.
Okay. Now I want to show you how to check real fake jade. More people use hair. Chinese people use hair. Hair.
Tea, please.
Hair. Use hair to check it. Hair. Okay. Is a fire. Natural jade is a very cold. Imitation jade, before use a plastic or glass. Just a good, beautiful stone. Stone and the jade is different. Stone cannot keep so much heat. And jade is cold, can keep so much heat.
Okay.
So here open is a real.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh,
so Chinese people, all people, have jade or put it on face, or close mouth, to check a real fake.
So what? So the
The
because
hair won't burn if it's real.
because jade is not getting hot.
It's cold.
Yeah. So
Oh.
Yeah,
Wow.
you can see hair here.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a real thing.
Okay.
It's
I
a
have
broken.
no.
Human.
And you can touch it, but it's very hot. Very hot. See?
So a regular stone, the hair would melt.
Yeah,
With
stone
just-
is
just a
a brand.
stone.
Yeah. And
But jade does not get hot enough.
yeah, yes,
Wow.
so much time is
Wow,
no
that's
good.
really-
And this is a imitation air bubbles inside. One more, because now made from glass imitation hair burn,
oh, you can see the bubbles in it.
but you can see air bubbles
This-
inside.
This is imitation.
Yeah, air bubbles inside.
Oh,
Yeah.
small bubbles.
So if a glass hair burn, but is imitation too. And this is a cat's eye. Yeah.
Cat's eye.
Are you ready?
Oh,
Nature's.
those are
Nature's is a natural color and pattern. Okay? Yeah. And this is a cat's eye. Central Taiwan jade is a cat's eye. Two cat's eye here, one real and one fake.
Really?
Yeah, can you see which one is real fake?
Gosh, they look
Same.
identical.
Look at like the same. Okay?
Yeah.
The top one is real.
Okay. Now I show you how to check it. Natural stone, anyway, is the same. Imitation is just down, put the color down below glass. It's use glass. So put the down color down below glass. From side we can check that different. Natural stone, anyway, is the same quality. Imitation stone just put the color down below glass. So we can see through. So imitation we can see through. So which one is we can see through? Can see my fingers easy is imitation. Which one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, which one can see my finger easy?
The
This one? Or this one?
the left.
Yeah, this one is imitation.
Uh,
Okay, it's a glass. See through.
Wait, the left one's the imitation.
But this one.
Oh, I
okay.
can see
Because
that.
the colors on the
Yeah.
bottom.
See.
Oh,
You can see
Okay, it's a
through.
glass. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. After here, I want to show you this one. You are young. Put your hand, no touch it, put your hand. This kind J,
Don't
no
touch
touch it.
it.
Relax.
Oh,
Relax, like this
Oh,
kind.
okay.
Go ahead,
Relax.
Austin.
Yeah, can you see have something warm? Is a cold or warm? Maybe a little X. Is a
a
chi
little cold.
cold?
I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You
it
have
is.
chi, you know? This is a chi. So this kind of J we call chi gongsi J. If you have it, you're like a pay touch your chi anytime.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can feel time.
It's a good for our circulation, our health. So
Oh,
like
that's weird.
if you have this kind, you're like a pay touch your chi anytime.
It should be cold.
Yeah.
Cold, maybe it's warm. Some people it's warm.
It's cold.
Yeah,
Cold.
it feels cold. So
Yeah. It's a chi. It's
Qi.
a really good chi. Chi gong. Do you know chi
yeah,
gong?
qigong.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
this kind J, if you have this kind of bracelet, is the same part as J, same kind of J.
I like to
You are
have
like a
it
cheap
just stay
anytime.
cold all the time.
So that it's good for health.
Quite good for our health, good for our circulation.
And does the temperature indicate anything? Like if you think it's hot or cold, does it mean
Yeah.
you're healthy or
Yeah,
not
your
healthy?
body if below cold, your brain is cold. Your body is Chinese love to say warm.
hot
maybe it's
character.
hot.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now also maybe you can see it.
Whoa.
Yeah. But
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
yeah. But is a jewelry strip and yeah. Okay, she show you the price. Okay, you have
Okay.
you can have good price here because you don't need to pay any commission
That's a
for me.
coral.